How you doing, my guys? Back at you with another video. I'm going to be showing you my face, stubble and skincare guide. I'm going to start off with my weekly routine and then my daily. So I'm just going to be starting off with a dry shave. I've got my clippers on 4.5 millimeters. I'm just going to be trimming down the base of my beard in any direction. So I got the clippers on the lowest settings. I don't want the hairs to overlap on my lips, so I'm just lining it up. So I'm just using my trimmer now just to file down the hairs underneath. Just doing a quick line up on the sides of my beard just to keep it nice and tidy. So I've just had a shower 15 minutes ago. What I'm doing right now is splashing some warm water on my beard just to loosen up the stubble, and I will be applying some shaving cream. I've left the shaving cream to rest on my neck for a couple minutes and I'm ready to go. Guys, you do not need to press firmly onto the neck, just nice and gentle strokes, and also as well go in one direction. After a couple of strokes, rinse it, then shave down again. Just going to be applying some shave balm around the neck just to avoid any irritations or itching or any ingrown hairs. My bad, guys, I forgot to include the next step, which is moisturizing the face. So as soon as you use the shave balm, get that face moisturized and hydrated. To top it off, I'm going to be applying some beard oil. So these are my results. This is my weekly routine. Now let me talk about the daily routine. Let's go to the next day. Before I use my face wash, I'm just gonna rinse my face with warm water. Yeah, I'm just working the inside and the outside of my face, massaging it, making sure I work around the ears as well, behind and around the neck, so I just don't miss any areas. Rinse it off with warm water, then cold water, just to close the pores, then just dry it off with a towel. my routine on how to keep your stubble hydrated and smooth. So what you need is a rag, and you need to pour some warm water. I would say warm to hot water on the rag. Rinse it out, then rest your rag on the beard so you can be able to loosen the hairs. Don't be like me and forget to moisturize the face. So go ahead and apply that around the skin. And after that, use a stubble moisturizer and just apply it around the beard. Again, to top it off, just whacking on some beard oil. You guys know the drill. 3 drops I'm using. I'm just applying it on the beard. Yeah, man, so this is me. This is the results. What do you think of the video? Comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. And for the newcomers out there that's just seen this video, make sure to drop a sub and a like, man. There's more videos to come your way. But till next time, guys, thank you for watching, man. I appreciate that. I'm out, man. Peace.